Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a beautiful and festive Christmas bracelet design that's perfect for the holiday season. Whether you are making gifts, preparing for craft fairs, or just want something sparkly to wear during December, this bracelet is a lovely project you can finish in one sitting. In this tutorial I show you how easy it is to make it. You need the following sizes of the beads: 10 Xerox golden seed beads, 8 mm red pearl beads, 4 mm green rondelle beads. Also you need one beading thread size 10. To clasps of your choice. I used wildfire beading thread point 0.06 inches diameter. Cut off a piece of thread 54 inches long. Gather the materials and get started. Thread the needle. Add the clasp and go down on the thread with it, leaving 1 inch of the thread end. Pick up one seed bead and go down on the thread with it beside the clasp. Make 3 knots to secure the work. Go with the needle through the seed bead. Go with the needle through the clasp. Again, go with the needle through the seed bead. Pick up 3 seed beads on the needle. Go with the needle through the seed bead next to the clasp. Go through the next seed bead. Go with the needle through the top seed bead. Pick up the seed beads and go down on the thread with them. Pick up one rondelle bead and go down with it beside dry seed beads. Pick up the seed beads and go down with it. Go with the needle through the top seed bead. Go through the next seed beads. Go through the rondelle bead. Cut off the end thread. Pick up one red pearl bead. Pick up one rondelle bead. Pick up one seed bead. Pick up one rondelle bead. Pick up one red pearl bead. Go with the needle through the rondelle bead. Go through the red pearl bead. Go through the next rondelle bead. Go through the seed bead and rondelle bead. Go through the red pearl bead. Pick up to seed beads. Go with the needle through the next 3 seed beads. Go through the next seed beads. Pick up to seed beads. Go with the needle through the red pearl bead. Go through the rondelle bead. Go through the seed bead. Pick up 3 seed beads. Go with the needle through the seed bead. Go through the next seed bead. Go with the needle through the top seed bead. Now I hope you know the pattern, but I will make again a unit for beginner beaders to be easier to understand it. Continue adding beads as I shown until you reach the desired length of the bracelet. My bracelet length is 6 inches and a half, and I used 16 red pearl beads and 16 rondelle beads to make it. Add the last beads and the clasp. Pick up 3 seed beads. Go with the needle through the seed bead. Go through the next seed beads. Add the clasp. Go with the needle through the top seed bead. Go through the clasp. Go through the top seed bead. Go through the next seed bead. Secure the work and make a knot. Go through the top seed bead. Make a knot again. Cut off the thread. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get my beautiful jewelry tutorials. Have fun beading!